So this drill here is to recognize an advantageous position versus a defensive position. So what I'm doing is I have the option to play either a straight kill low and hard or a straight length, forcing my opponent to the back of the court. So when I recognize a loose shot, then I take that opportunity and try to kill it into the front of the court. When he's played a good tight length, I reply it with as good of a length as I can. And this is a great drill to increase your recognition of an offensive situation or a defensive situation.